In this video, I'm going to show you how to take pictures by saying cheese or smile or take photos on your Samsung Galaxy device. If at the end of this video, you're able to take photos on your Samsung phone, saying cheese, by saying smile or take a photo shoot or snap, please don't forget to like and subscribe. So the first you want to do to take photos on Samsung phones by saying cheese is going to your Samsung phone settings and click on applications. Under apps, locate the camera app and then click on it. Once you open the camera app, click on camera settings. Now scroll down and click on shooting methods. Here there is option called voice commands. Click on this. Then you should see take pictures by saying smile, cheese, capture, shoot, record video by saying record videos. Now with these features enabled on your Samsung phone, you'll be able to take pictures on your Samsung phone by saying cheese, smile, capture, shoot, or record videos by saying record videos. You can also use it here to record videos on your Samsung Galaxy phones. If this is helpful and educative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.